This video shows the moment a survivor of the quake that hit Southeast Asia was pulled from the rubble of a collapsed hotel in Myanmar. The 7.7 magnitude quake hit last Friday, killing more than 3,000 people there. The Myanmar Fire Services Department shared this video and says the rescue happened earlier today. It's just one of the hundreds of rescue teams that are responding there.
Well, many are getting help from search dogs, both in the hunt for survivors and in dealing with the emotional toll of the disaster. As this video shows out of Bangkok, the dogs don't really take breaks, and when they're not on search missions, they're serving as emotional support animals and getting hugs from local kids.
The dog has amazing powers, and touching a dog really gives some nice relief for people, so it's a good emotional support.
Even as the death toll continues to climb, rescuers say there is reason to hope, such as the video we showed you of the rescue earlier today, with the victim found alive 5 days after that quake hit.